My name is Dr. Sophia Leviasanen. I am a lecturer at AVReQ, the Center for the Study of the Afterlife of Violence and the Reparative Quest at Stellenbosch University. The MPhil in Violent Histories is a residential interdisciplinary program. It's a 2-year postgraduate degree. The course responds to a growing need in higher education for studies on conflict, peace building, decolonial approaches to transgenerational trauma, but uniquely from a Global South perspective. So the first module in the first semester is called the Afterlife of Violence. The Afterlife of Violence draws strongly from the South African context, and we try to understand violent processes such as slavery, genocide, colonialism, and apartheid, both from the perspective of human rights, historical trauma, and memory studies. In semester 1, we also teach the research methodology module. The research methodology aims to equip students with critical decolonial approaches that are based from Global South thinking, Global South perspectives on trauma studies and historical repair. In semester 2, we do the contextual perspectives on trauma testimony module. This module focuses deeply on questions of witnessing and testimony as key forms in which perpetrators, victims, and implicated others express traumatic events and violence, and the limits of these kinds of expressions and the ways in which these expressions or testimonies exist in society and how we can make sense of them. So in semester 2, the historical trauma and redress module thinks from a grounded and practical perspective around processes of repair. This module incorporates experiential learning, it incorporates site visits, and it tries to understand with students what the socio-spatial implications of violence on society can be, and strategies in which we can try and understand processes of repair. We also explore from African contexts and perspectives ideas about ritual, mourning, and processes of repair that haven't traditionally been enclosed and taught within Western canons of thought. In the second year of the program, students work on an independent research project in which they're supported to choose a research topic that draws from the broad range of issues that they've explored in the first year. To be eligible for the MPhil in Violent Histories and Repair, we require applicants to have an honors degree or its equivalent in any humanities or social science discipline. You can go straight to the University of Stellenbosch's website for postgraduate applications. You can also reach the site through AVReQ's own website, which gives much more detail about the course itself. We have a deadline of the 31st of August for international students and the 31st of October for South African students each year. We look forward to welcoming our students next year.